taking a look at the ceiling fan from Amazon, this fan works well to replace any existing fan. The only difference is that there's only one power source. So if you have a fan that currently has a switch for a light and a fan, this will only go into one of those. So once it's installed, everything will be controlled by this remote, and the wall switch will just do power on and off. So like now on the wall switch, that's just on and off. Once I have it there, everything's controlled through this remote. So you can see you can do the brightness for the light, and you can also do your K value. So your light can go between a whiter light versus a more yellow light. As far as the fan itself is concerned, you have different options for timers, and the fan can go both in forward direction and reverse direction. So the fan itself is very quiet. We'll put it into forward direction, and we'll put the speed to the max. So you can see those 6 lights are what controls the speed. So if you have everything selected, that is the highest speed. Like I said, the fan itself runs very quiet, so it's a really good addition to run stable and quiet in any house.